Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video about magnets. That was always an interesting topic to me. It was kind of amazing how magnets work. All magnets have a north and south pole, and the opposite poles attract each other, and the same poles repel each other. So today we have 4 boxes of magnets, and I'm going to try to connect them all. Let's start. So we're going to go to the smallest to the biggest. So let's start. You know what? Actually, let's get all these boxes off the table first. I guess we could just use some scissors. Okay, okie dokie. I guess we didn't need scissors, but we have them, so. Never mind, we totally need them. So we got the box open. So here are all parts, the wheels. I don't really know what that is. And here's all the magnets. And I don't know why there's an instruction manual, but there is. And that's all that's in the box. So here are all the magnets. How did it close when I just opened it? Oh yeah, these things are magnetic, as you can see. I'm gonna try to build a car. I guess I can't cut it for some reason, even though it's big. Do you need these things for the car? I don't get what any of these things are, but there's something. So now that we unboxed everything, we're gonna look at the instructions and make a car. So the first piece is connected, so let's continue. Before we connect the second box, we got this magnet car. So now let's open the second box. Well, here are the magnets. So that's a lot more magnets than I expected. Wait, let's see what's in here. A whole lot more magnets. So we're gonna make, as you can see here on the back, a house out of magnets. I kind of already started on that, so I guess I'm just gonna keep on going. I'm just gonna take some magnets. I didn't mean to take this many. So I'm like about halfway there. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put another one of these. Never mind. Can't. Doesn't fit. And oh, I made this wrong. I just looked at how it looks like. I made it wrong. But now we're gonna make it right. And there we go. I made the house out of magnets. And also it glows in the dark. So we're on the third box of magnets, and now we're going to unbox it. So all that was in the box is way too many magnets, even more magnets, even more magnets, and more magnets. There's way too many magnets in here. And a bunch of mechanical parts that I don't understand. And these instructions will help us, so let's use them. We made it. This one really doesn't spin that much, but this one does. So now we're on the fourth and final box. So let's open it. So that's what was in the box, and it's a whole lot harder than it looks. So we have instructions to build the things. So this is my version. I made a pyramid. So now I'm gonna rate these magnet toys 1 out of 10. So first, this one, like the magnet car, actually wasn't really that fun because it was kind of hard to make. So like a 6 out of 10, I would say maybe. And then the house, that was actually pretty easy and kind of fun, so 7 out of 10, I guess. I don't even know what it is, but it was way too hard to make and way too complicated. I'll just say 5 out of 10. This one is like a pyramid here. I mean, it's also pretty hard to make. I would say maybe a 5 out of 10 or so. Okay, so altogether, it was pretty fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.